Okay, welcome to Call of Duty. Jadi saya now will explain to you about how to rolling carpet, rolling sajadah, and rolling all of type of carpet with a correctly and very correctly and cleaning. Okay, I think you are wrong. You wrong to rolling this carpet. Ordinarily, people rolling like this, and look what happened in this carpet. This is the dirty one. This is the cleaner one. Okay, if we rolling like this, so the dirty one from here is moved to your cleaning one. So the top surface, top side will be dirty. Okay, how to rolling the carpet with a correctly? Yeah, so the step by step I will explain to you. The simple way is just like this. In the inside we shoot like this, and then this is the bottom side. Bottom side, this is the cleaning side, clean upside, and this is clean side. Okay, we shoot like this, and then so we're rolling like this. Okay, the cleaning one is cleaning one. Okay, and the dirty one over the dirty one like this, yeah. Okay, this. So your carpet will be cleaning all the time. Okay, you should you can apply this application to your sajadah. So how to rolling your sajadah is like this. Okay, same like this, yeah. So the cleaning one is still cleaning, and the carpet too. You can apply this application. Okay, if you think this video is useful, please share to others and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.